ठीक है, एक सिंपल सा चीज बता देता हूँ. फॉर मिक्सचर ऑफ गैसेस, suppose sometimes it is not simply monoatomic, but let's say it's a mixture of helium and hydrogen. Fine, so you can prove all this thing. I'm just writing down the result, that degree of freedom of mixture is n1 into f1 plus n2 into f2 upon n1 plus n2. Try to prove this. That is, you can prove this by saying that the energy of one gas plus energy of two gas is equal to total energy of the entire mixture. वो लेके आप prove कर सकते हैं. Then molecular weight is n1 into m1 plus n2 into m2 upon n1 plus n2. This is molecular weight. This is degree of freedom. Then we have Cp. Cp is n1 into Cp1 plus n2 into Cp2, n1 plus n2. Then Cv, this is for mixture. n1 Cv1, n2 Cv2 upon n1 plus n2. All these result can be easily proven. Fine. So your work is to prove this result. However, gamma you can either find out Cp mixture by Cv mixture. Fine. Or the formula for this gamma becomes 1 by gamma mix, n1 plus n2 by gamma mix minus 1 is n1 by gamma 1 minus 1 plus n2 by gamma 2 minus 1. Okay. So these are the formula that you have to use for the mixture of gases. Any question, Gurashish?
No.